In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you can't find Clipboard at the top left corner, use this icon also at the top left corner and click on Clipboard here. Then use this switcher next to show the Clipboard on your toolbar if it's not already on, and go back. Then it will appear over here. Now you need to click Add a new clip. Type in whatever you want to and hit save to add it to your clipboard. You can also just copy or cut any text and then click on the top of your keyboard to paste it instantly, or click on clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use pin icon on the left and unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, use pin icon on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this keyboard icon at the top right corner or this arrow at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!